apa? I also don't know what name.
Wow! See my shirt? Because look, your shirt. So what? Because the boy is splashing.
Splashing.
There's no sound. Okay, so we can finally rest. I like to take a boat, yeah. So
Yeah, nice boat.
see my shirt, yeah.
Sad, can you read that sign?
Huh?
What is it?
Whether I cannot.
Spider monkey.
What is a spider monkey?
Where's the monkey?
No. What the bird?
Greetings, explorers. Welcome to the Amazon River Quest.
Hey, I cannot see the spider monkey.
This is going
Me
to be
too.
an amazing
I cannot
ride
see the spider monkey.
of spider monkeys. They can leap over 9 meters from branch to branch.
Oh.
Cannot see the dinosaur.
The trees on the right is the white-faced Saki monkey. Because of their ability to leap large distances, they are known as the flying monkeys.
Flying monkeys.
Where?
No, I don't know.
Hey, you need to stay in the boat, yeah.
Yeah. Later the monkey will jump here. Alah, the monkey jumping here. Hey. So the monkey.
We're now entering the land of the giants. Quick, to your left. Do you see something large and furry? That's the giant anteater.
Mana ada.
Mana ada?
Tak ada pun.
You need to look out for the shark.
Anteater. There, tak ada. Don't have.
What abang said?
It's squirrel only.
Squirrel?
Yeah.
Coming up next is our family of brown-nosed cotimandis.
It's
They're
called
able to
brown-nosed
turn their
cotimandi.
ankles over 180 degrees.
this
and
squirrel?
help them climb trees.
Oh, there lah.
Wait, something is moving faster.
Shan there.
Everybody!
Wow. Going down. Careful. Hold your rights. Oh, no. Whoa.
Go!
God.
These are Brazilian tapirs.
Mora!
Tapirs are the largest land mammals in the Amazon, growing up to
Careful.
300 kilograms.
Oh my god!
Scary, yeah.
That is the way. What is it? What's the name, Maya?
Brazilian
The
tapir.
Amazon is also
I don't
home
see
to
anything.
small creatures.
Yeah, I don't know where he
Hiding among leaves on
I
the
think
right
he's hiding
are
in there.
top tamarins.
Hey, yeah, is that?
These small monkeys talk to each other in chirps.
Monkeys? What monkeys?
Small monkeys.
No, yeah, look, see.
I thought it sounds like Jurassic
Oh,
Park.
what's the name, Maya?
Tamarin.
Okay, something in there.
Oh, jaguar lah. It's a big cat. Yeah, pause for a while.
Predator in the Amazon, the jaguar. Meet Chow, our young
That is
jaguar.
a jaguar.
He was born in the Singapore Zoo in 2004. Chow
Man.
likes to play with mud.
Oh, there lah,
especially
inside.
when it's wet.
How do we
His
inside?
parents, Angel and Khan, are coming up next. The jaguar is a top predator in the Amazon.
Ayo,
He
so
has a
small.
powerful bite that
Cannot move
pierces
about.
very
I'm not
soft
scared.
teeth.
Poor thing. The
Hey,
cat.
Maya.
Jaguar so small.
scared. Wait, see,
Jaguar is so
there's another
small.
one.
Okay,
Another
yeah,
announcement.
pause again.
Jaguar.
Jaguar.
I'm not scared, Daya.
You're not scared?
I'm not scared.
You're scared?
No, hold on tight. There's a
Okay.
river down. Hold on tight, guys. There's a river going down.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, coming soon.
It's going down.
5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1. What? Our monkey?
Go down again.
The biggest one is
I have to pause for a while.
If you turn to your left, you'll spot the Peruvian flamingos. The flamingos have big boxes of seeds filtering microscopic cream
Jauh
in the
sangat.
water. It is this food that gives the flamingo its red plumage. His opposite are our capybaras. These large cousins of the hamsters grow up to 70
Why they
kilograms
make so much
and
sound?
are the world's longest.
See, there's this noise. So what? Capybara. Capybara. What's that?
Why they are making a sound?
Okay, pause again.
What's inside?
Nothing.
Well, explorers, I hope you have been enjoying your voyage. If you wish to see more Amazonian animals, head on left towards the Amazon.
There's a real reaching.
Hold on to the railing. Ah, it ends already. I thought it's some more. Okay,
I hope you enjoyed the
that's the
little
end of the journey. Bye, Chan.